Alright. How you going, guys? Nice to see you back. Just after Christmas, Monday after Christmas, here in Brisbane. We're down here at the Gabba. This is a house we did 6 months ago. And of course then we did work on the units that they're building on the front of it after we slid this one across. And they finally got this filled up so we can walk under here a couple of weeks ago. So we're just going to come through and finish a few things because it was just too hard to do before, because that was 14 feet to the bearer down there. So we've got to go through under here. We're going to put some gussets in on these steel posts where the steel posts are over the top of the steel, and weld those posts on. So otherwise everything else is done here except for a little bit of painting. So we've got 7 gussets to fit and tidy up some of these bolts, and of course weld the plates on, so that'll keep us busy all day. We'll take it easy. We might even have to be here tomorrow morning, but that's what we're up to. We'll do another video once we're finished so you can see all the gussets. But what we're doing is going around. As you can see, we go over this post here. We used, because of how far we had to hang them, we used bolts to hang these posts with. And now we just got to tighten all those up, cut the leftovers off, and a weld on both sides, and a gusset piece of steel that goes straight up the middle to stop that from curling, so the two flanges don't curl on each other. Okay, with the weight, and there's quite a bit of weight up there. So that's doing that. Same with that 380 gusset in there. 380C channel has put a gusset in that, and yeah, that's what she looks like. Nice. It's nice that we got a level pad now to work on, underside a slab, so we can do it all without we don't have to worry about making a mess. And in the new year, a couple of weeks away, they'll be putting a slab in here, which will be great. All right, okay, we're going to get into that. Hope you guys had a great Christmas, and we'll catch up with you soon. And of course, New Year's only 4 days away, and we'll talk to you before then. All right, guys, thank you. Oh, don't forget, please. We're building this channel. We've got a lot more videos to come, a lot of things, a lot of how-tos, how to make things happen. And as we move into recycling, a lot of videos on that as well. Okay, and please, the like button and the subscribe button, very much appreciated. Bell icon, just hit those for us. That'd be great. Thanks, guys. See you soon. Bye.